Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Shubhasree ma'am. I told you that if you face anybody, if you face any problem in any sums, then you tell me, I will definitely do it for you. So, you told me that sum number 14 or 15, one of that, you told me that you are facing little bit problem, you did it, but you have little confusion. I will do all the 3 sums I am doing 13, 14 and 15. Today I will do these 3 sums. You watch it properly and learn it, how to do, what is the method, easy one, do not worry, you watch properly, slowly you watch it. If you can't understand in one time, watch it again and again. So, you will definitely understand, and definitely do not forget to practice the sum right now. So, only you, if you will practice properly, you can be confident that about your answer. So, let us start. First I have written it. So, let us see what is sum number 13. You take your book, you also see that sum number 13 is Sonal went to school for 219 days in a full year. If her attendance is 75%, find the number of days on which school was open. Now see, school was open how many days, that we have to find out. We do not know that how many number of days school was open. So, what we will do, you all know, yes, we will take it, let the number of total number of days school was open be x. That line I have written already, okay. So, to save time, let the number of days school was open be x. Out of these total number of days, students, you have to write the statements also, okay. It carries marks. Number of days Sonal was present I have no space, so I am not writing, but you write in school. Present in school is to what? 219 days they told us. So, what is they said that if her presence, the percentage of her present in school is 75%. 75% of what? Total number of days the school was open, that is the total number of days, and that we have taken x. So, we will write 75% of x equals to what? She was present 219 days. So, we will write 219 here. That implies x, sorry, I will not jump that step, 75 by 100 x equals to 219, okay. That implies x, let me do here, x equals to 219 is here, let it be here. If I will write here, I will no space for cutting. So, I am writing little bit down. That implies x equals to 219. 100 is the denominator. So, it will come up in numerator into 100 divided by 75. This 75 is denominator, it will come down. So, now I can cut by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15, okay. Now, you cut this 3 7s are 21 and 3 3s are 9, simple. 25 1s are 25 and 25 4s are 100. So, what we get? 73 multiplied by 4. So, we can get the total number of days school was open. So, 4 3s are 12, 2, 1 carry, 4 7s are 28 plus 1 29. 291 days school was open, and the students, definitely I am not writing, but you write always the answer of the sum, answer means not only 292 days, no, answer statement. Total number of days school was open is 292 or 292 days school was open. This way you write down the answer. Don't forget to write the answer, okay. So, this is our first sum, sum number 13. Now, we will do the next sum, that is sum number 12. Come to the next sum. Sum number 14, this sum is telling that 3% commission on a sale of a property amounts to 42,660 rupees. What is the total value of the property? So, they are asking what is the total value of the property. So, we will find out the total value of the property, okay. So, let the total value of the property be x, that definitely we will write. So, you start this way. Let the total value of the property be x. And what is the commission? Commission is the 3% of the total value of the property. So, you write the commission is 3% of the total value of the property which we have taken as x, okay. Now, you do and after commission, after given the commission, so I am writing after the commission, the value is after the commission, the value 42,660, 42,660, 42,660 rupees sign definitely will come here. The value is 42,660. So, we can write that 3% of total value of the property, that is x, equals to 42,660, right. This we can do. So, now easily same way you will do that into x equals to 42,660. That implies x equals to 42,660 multiplied by 100 divided by 3. So, we will simple cut by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 0. So, therefore, x equals to what? 14220, and these two zeros of 100 will also add here. So, our total value of the property is 14,22,000. So, in answer you will write the total value of the property is rupees 14,22,000. Do not forget to write the answer. Okay, so, come on the next question, that is question number 15. Question number 15, let us start. Question number 15 is, in an election there were two candidates A and B. the total number of votes in this constituency was 60,000 and 80% of the total votes were polled. Everybody means all 60,000 people did not give vote. How many people give vote? That is 80% of these 60,000 people only given the vote. So, we will first find out how many people, the actual number of people given the vote, polled the vote. Okay. If 60% of the polled vote were cast in favor of A, how many votes were received by B? That we have to find out. Okay. So, here we will not take, no need to take x, x we will not take, एमनी ऐसे ही solve हो जाएगा. So, you see that total number of votes in this constituency was 60,000, it is given, and 80% of total votes were polled. So, first we have to find out number of votes polled, means number of people given the vote, vote poll means, that is 80% of 60,000, 80% of 60,000. So, we will find out the actual number. So, 80 by 100 into 60,000. So, these 2 0 will cancel with these 2 0. So, what we get for 8 6 are 48 and 1 2 3 3 0. So, first we found out that how many number of vote polled, that is 48,000 vote was polled. And now, next part is 60% of polled vote cast in favor of A. 60% of polled vote means 60% of this number 48,000 cast in favor of A. So, now we will find the number of votes cast in favor of A. Okay, so you write that number of votes cast in favor of A equals to what? Equals to 60%. 60% of what? 60% of actual number of vote polled. That is what we find out, 48,000 into 48,000. So, easily we can find it out, 60 by 100 into 48,000, 2 0 will cancel with these 2 0. That equals to, it's a 4 6 8 48, 4 carry, 4 6 4 24 plus 8, 28, 1 and 2 0. Out of 48,000 total number of polled votes, A received 28,800 votes. So, from here easily we can find out number of votes were received by B. So, total number of polled vote, that is 48,000, we can subtract 28, I am writing here 28,800. This we can, if we subtract this, we can get the answer. So, you subtract this 0 minus 0, that is 0. this 0 minus this 0, that is 0, 10 minus 8, that is 2, that is 2. Now 9 and 8, 18, that is 9, 3, 1. So 19,200 votes received by B. So simple. So in answer, what you will write? You will write that number of votes received by B is 19,200, or you can write this also, 19,200 votes received by B. So clear it is. I hope everyone understood this thing. So if you understood, you know what you will do. You will write in comment, "Ki ma'am, I understood. It is clear to me," and you will write your name also. Right now, don't forget. So today is this much, and bye bye.